friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm Holly. I'm happy to have you here, and I hope that you'll enjoy the recipe that I'm sharing with you today. This will be a dessert, and I'm going to make it in the crock pot. So it's going to be an easy recipe, pretty simple, takes about 2 hours to make. But you will need 1 box of lemon cake mix, and you do not need the ingredients that are on the box, so just the cake mix. And you can use any brand that you want. I just prefer the Betty Crocker Delights. You will need a 21-ounce can of blueberry fruit filling, 3 egg whites, 1 cup of water, and a 1/3 cup of apple sauce. And I'm just using, it's an unsweetened one. It says natural on the package, but just an unsweetened one, because I didn't want it to get too sweet. And now I'm going to show you how quickly it is to make this in the crock pot. It says to preheat the slow cooker, so I just put it on low and then sprayed it with some nonstick spray. You will pour the blueberry pie filling in the bottom, and you just want to spread that out to cover the entire bottom of your crock pot. Next, add your egg whites to a mixing bowl, then mix this until it forms soft peaks. Once the egg whites are done, then you will add to this your cake mix. And I kind of stirred it up just a little bit, just to kind of mix in those egg whites. Then I will add in the water. Then add the applesauce. And then you want to just thoroughly mix this up until that cake mix is dissolved into the batter. And it's okay to have a few lumps in it, small lumps. If you can't get it completely smooth, that'll be fine. Then you will just pour this over the blueberries. And you do not want to stir this up or anything. You're just going to pour it over. Then take a paper towel and put that over your crock pot. This is to stop any condensation from dripping back into it, so that way it will actually bake, not baste or anything. So this will, the recipe says to cook this for 2 hours on high. I'm doing 1.5 hours because I'm worried, because this is a big crock pot, that it may overcook and burn. So I'm going to see at that 1.5 hour mark, check it, and if I have to recook it, I will. So 22 minutes, I checked it. It did, I used a skewer, just a wooden skewer. You can use a toothpick. And when I inserted it, it went in fine. It came out clean, and it felt like it was done. But when I went to go to serve it out, it was still not cooked. So I put it back in for 1/2 hour on high, and that seemed to work. It turned out great as far as the taste. Really did enjoy it. It tasted very good. Doesn't look that great, but it is a delicious dessert that you can make in the crock pot. Like I said, if I would have cooked it completely the way it was supposed to be, I think I would have been able to cut it in pieces and take it out. But since it was kind of raw still a little bit, it kind of fell apart. I did add a little bit of Ready Whip on top. You can add ice cream, anything you want. Really delicious. If you like lemons and blueberries, this is a really good one to try. Like I said, not the greatest presentation, but that doesn't matter. The taste is really what matters with this one, and it was really delicious. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.